Throughout history, ancient cultures did not just look at plants as food, they relied on them as medicine. From the sacred tea ceremonies of Zen monks to traditional healing brews carried across West Africa and the Amazon, natural infusions have long served as humanity's original longevity secret. Modern science confirms that specific herbal teas contain potent bioactive compounds like catechins, apigenin, eugenol, and polycollagens that cross cellular barriers, protect neural pathways, cleanse the digestive tract, and support cardiovascular health. In this series, we examine 9 powerful time-tested brews. We will break down their cultural history, their overlapping health mechanisms, and how to harness them for daily wellness. 1. Green tea and matcha green tea, probolates, covigus, problems, tea, adichie, and stone-ground matcha are global staples celebrated for high concentrations of L-theanine and epigallocatechin gallate, or EGCG. EGCG crosses the blood-brain barrier to protect neural pathways from oxidative damage, support long-term cognitive focus, and trigger autophagy, the body's essential process for clearing out worn-out cellular debris. Historically, matcha's rise is rooted in 9th century Japanese Zen Buddhist monasteries, where monks drank ground green tea to maintain calm alertness during extended meditation. Over centuries, tea masters perfected shade-growing techniques to maximize chlorophyll and amino acid levels, making matcha a foundational tonic for sustained mental clarity and longevity. 2. Hibiscus tea. Hibiscus tea, brewed from the dried colaces of Hibiscus saberifa, is a vibrant crimson infusion rich in organic acids, vitamin C, and potent anthocyanins. These antioxidants actively support vascular health by promoting arterial flexibility, reducing systemic inflammation, and helping maintain healthy blood pressure levels within normal ranges. Historically, hibiscus has deep roots across West Africa, Egypt, and the Caribbean. Known as bisap or zobo in West Africa, it served as a celebratory refreshment and a traditional remedy to maintain internal cooling and circulation. Transported through global trade routes, it became the foundation for regional red drinks cherished across the Americas for hydration and cardiovascular vitality. 3. Japanese fermented tea. Japanese dark fermented tea is a probiotic-rich brew crafted through post-fermentation with microflora. This natural fermentation process creates unique bioactive metabolites that nourish the gut microbiome, enhance nutrient absorption, and work alongside plant catechins to stimulate cellular renewal and metabolic balance. Historically, dark fermented teas originated along China's ancient tea horse road before regional tea masters in Japan developed hyperlocal specialties like Tokushima's awa bancha, harvested late in the season. And fermented in barrels, these teas were preserved by mountain communities as essential daily digestive tonics to support gut longevity through long winters. Stay tuned for part 2, where we cover 3 more powerful longevity infusions. Welcome back to part 2 of our guide to ancient longevity infusions. In this video, we focus on natural brews that enhance cognitive energy, protect neural health, and defend the digestive system. 4. Yerba mate. Yerba mate is a traditional South American infusion celebrated for its combination of caffeine, theobromine, and chlorogenic acid polyphenols. Yerba mate delivers smooth cognitive enhancement without jitters, while supporting metabolic efficiency, protecting cellular DNA from oxidative stress, and boosting physical endurance. Historically, yerba mate originates with the indigenous Guarani people of the South American Matriarchs Atlantic forest, who revered the leaves as a sacred gift for stamina, hunger suppression, and healing. Adopted by Jesuit missionaries in the 16th century, yerba mate grew into a regional pillar across Argentina, Uruguay, Paraguay, and Brazil, where sharing a mate through a traditional gourd remains a central symbol of community. 5. Apigenin-rich parsley and celery seed tea. Parsley and celery seed teas are among the richest dietary sources of apigenin, a powerful bioflavonoid. Apigenin acts as a natural neuroprotective compound that binds to central nervous system receptors, helping reduce brain fog, ease anxious tension, protect brain cells against inflammation, and promote deep cellular repair. Historically, both parsley and celery seed hold prominent places in ancient Mediterranean and Ayurvedic medicine. Greek and Roman healers used parsley tea to support kidney filtration and fluid balance, while Ayurvedic practitioners utilized celery seed infusions to soothe digestive spasms, balance joint inflammation, and calm the nervous system. 6. Pomegranate-infused herbal tea. Pomegranate tea infused with pomegranate peel, barrels, or flowers is packed with polyphenols, tannins, and pinocolagens. These concentrated compounds defend arterial walls against plaque-forming oxidation while exerting astringent and antimicrobial actions in the gut that help disrupt harmful intestinal organisms. Historically, the pomegranate has been revered across the Middle East and Mediterranean for over 40 years as a symbol of abundance and longevity. Ancient Persian and Aegean physicians regularly brewed concentrated decoctions of pomegranate rind to treat internal weakness, protect against gut distress, and clear intestinal parasites. Stay tuned for part 3, where we cover 3 more powerful gut cleansing and metabolic tonics. Welcome back to part 3 of our guide to ancient longevity infusions. In this final chapter, we explore powerful gut cleansing, soothing, and antimicrobial tonics. 7. Soursop leaf tea. Soursop leaf tea, derived from Annona myricata, contains specialized plant compounds known as annonaceous acetogenins. These unique biocompounds lower oxidative stress, calm overactive nervous system responses, and support internal gut balance by inhibiting unwanted bacterial and fungal overgrowth in the digestive tract. Historically, soursop leaf tea has served as a cornerstone of traditional folk medicine across the Caribbean, Central America, and West Africa. Village elders brewed the fresh or dried leaves into soothing teas to ease fevers, soothe joint discomfort, reduce nervous strain, and maintain overall digestive resilience. 8. Okra water. Okra water, prepared by steeping sliced okra pods in cool or room temperature water, is rich in soluble fiber, folate, and natural plant mucilage. This slippery gel coats and soothes the mucus lining of the stomach, and intestine slows carbohydrate absorption to stabilize blood sugar and promotes optimal bowel motility. Historically, okra originated in West Africa and spread globally via trade and migration routes. In traditional West African, Caribbean, and Southern practices, the mucilage extracted from okra was valued both as a culinary thickener and as a restorative drink to soothe digestive irritation, support body hydration, and assist recovery during heat or illness. 9. Clove water. Clove water, made by steeping whole-dried clove buds in warm water, is an aromatic tonic containing high levels of eugenol, one of nature's most potent natural antimicrobials. Eugenol actively disrupts harmful gut bacteria, helps break down parasite eggs and larvae in the intestinal tract, eases bloating, and provides heavy antioxidant defense. Historically, cloves were among the most prized commodities along the ancient spice routes, originating from Indonesia's Maluku Islands. Ayurvedic and traditional Chinese medicine practitioners relied on clove infusions for centuries to treat digestive parasites, relieve oral pain, warm the body's digestive fire, and protect against contagious illness. Incorporating these 9 ancient infusions into your weekly routine provides a practical, science-backed strategy to protect your brain, cleanse your digestive system, and support long-term metabolic health. If you found value in this breakdown, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share which infusion you plan to try first in the comments below.